Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing another bi-directional pour. I've gotten some really awesome results, and today I'm going to be doing it on a bigger canvas. So stay tuned and check it out. Hey guys, so I got my gloves on, and as I said before, I am going to be using a 16 by 20 canvas. So that's what I got in front of me, and I've got my cup, and this is a 16-ounce cup, and hopefully I don't need that much paint, but I've got that size nonetheless. And I'm gonna start with FolkArt White Pearl in the bottom. And then my next color is phthalo Turquoise, and that is from the Fine Touch. All right. And then the next color is Bronze, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. It's my favorite bronze, as I've probably said before many times. And then a little bit more White Pearl. And we'll do some Payne's Gray here, and this is from Liquitex, Payne's Gray. It's one of those things, if you want a dark color but not black, a nice Payne's Gray will work. A little bit more bronze here. And all my colors are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And let's see, one more White Pearl, and then I think I'll do one more layer of phthalo Turquoise. All right. Actually, I think I'm going to put just a little bit more. There we go, just a touch of the White Pearl. All right, guys, so I am going to, I think, pour this way, and here we go. Hey guys, so I got another dried result for you. This is the bi-directional pour that I did on a bigger canvas. and I am loving the results of this one. The only thing that I kind of didn't like was I did lose a lot of the Payne's gray. I just love the composition of this piece. I feel like it's got this nice kind of flow right through here. To me, it looks like water melting from a mountain. So I'm really happy with the results that I am getting from my bi-directional pour, and I am sure that you will see more from me soon. Alright guys, so to sum it up, I am super happy with my results from my bi-directional. I'm just getting like a dual painting where I'm getting, you know, the middle is doing all of this awesome stuff, and then I've got these other effects on the side of it. So I will continue to do the bi-directional. I'm hoping that you guys will continue watching to see my awesome results. And don't forget, Sunday I will be going over this painting on my live stream, and come check it out, come hang out with me and talk about this painting.